He might ill-treat you.
Jordan, if a girl a go online, she too stubborn. I instant block and delete.
Every minute him beat you. On top of that him is a freak where you eat you. When him done him want delete.
You want have a million girl and if me have two man, you a scream home if you do your that. Remember woman a give man restraining order before them a delete and block.
One bag of gold medal pan me now. Champion boy, you know the damn thing go.
Come me pull up in the game so them a melt. One champion, me knock them out and take the belt. Young
Since me bust a flying gun, never see so much hate on my band. Me knock out the heavyweight, now what the referee want fi fight, man. Me have to get up like every day. My 3 pints no go so easy. Now me feel me need a key for the city.
100 milli, close and silly. Sell them like a place from a stole them city.
Walk the walk, talk the talk, tell them.
Walk out to the stick. Walk out to the stick, man, bada.
Eh? Don't let fight this up. I'll fight something new too.
There's a couple of new things.
What do you even do on them know what, man?
Yeah, because you know we have something for drop, you know.
A whole heap of thing we want drop, you know, but a whole heap of thing we want you to preview for the people, them exclusive, but you know the thing, but they want to sell them a teeth, is it? So.
No, so I feel like if we drop something tonight or tomorrow.
Tonight?
Yeah, man, I feel like if we drop something for people tonight.
Let's it, man. I don't know if any of that thing go.
Prosperity, alright now. Full of opposition, I'm a nah laugh. I fashion, now we are the muse and a nah.
Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to another episode of Vybz and Inside with Nando. You know it's your boss Nando in our building with another episode and another vlog for you, the viewers and the subscribers. So in this vlog, I will be exposing to you guys, the viewers and the subscribers, why Alkaline is the muse of dancehall. Why Alkaline is the ingredient of dancehall, viewers and subscribers. All the artists them in a dancehall, they feed off of Alkaline's energy, they buy him style. Without Alkaline, it's like majority of these artists, they can't meds music, they can't write music. And I'm going to expose from the smallest artists to the top artists to the elite artists in a dancehall to this day, viewers and subscribers. So Alkaline saying in a multiple songs say, full of opposition and me nah laugh. I fashion away the muse and on a knockoff. And he also stated in a nah left the game. Make them cuss, make them go and complain, run up them pressure cause me nah left the game. And also in that same song him say, me are the ingredients where them need. When him say, ingredients where them need, make them cuss, make them go and complain. So Alkaline stated that is the ingredient that dancehall need. The artist them. Him also mentioned in a key man say, in the industry, me are the key man artists get a hype and then sink like quicksand. So in another vlog here, me are going to expose some song piece by piece. Some 8 minutes long, some 8-second pieces of some songs. As we go along in this vlog, we are going to talk about them. Play one and then talk about them. Play the other, talk about them. So we go along, viewers and subscribers. Because, Jano, it's just crazy. After listening to most of these songs, viewers and subscribers, it tends to irritate me. Forget to realize that the artists them in a dancehall, the whole of them bite Alkaline style. Everything when him sing about in a song, them bite it. Them put it in a theme song. And it's like when Alkaline say, leave me la hold my glass, or someone a go like them no one give homage to the data boss. Look how much of them and them help. Look how much of them borrow my style and they say by me a floss. Time and time Alkaline sing some things in him song. And many people now listening music, you know. Well, the fans them know it. The fans them for themselves know it. But we are gonna rewind back to a far time, back in a rock, 2016. Me I go right back to 2016, viewers and subscribers. I'm gonna pull up some things and me I go show it. But before we get into the vlog, people, me I go ask you, like the video yet? Like the video yet? Comment in the comment section. Make sure you do that, man. Like the video, comment in the comment section. And for y'all who wanna subscribe, make sure you wanna subscribe. No. Cause that vlogger now go normal, you know. When I hear some things in that vlogger, when I say to myself, damn, I never know say them thing out the dog. You never know, but you're not going to see it in another vlog. This is the exposed vlog. I want it more video out there, but I never get to capture the rest of them. But I capture as much as possible when I can capture. So people, make sure you like, subscribe, and hit that post notification bell. And make sure you hit all, so whenever I drop a video, you guys can be the first to be notified. So without further ado, people, make we kick off the vlog like this. So Alkaline did a song in 2016 called Block and Delete, viewers and subscribers. I'm going to make you guys listen two other songs that bite Block and Delete songs from two of the prominent dancehall artists them in a dancehall right now. Well, one of them are not even a dancehall artist anymore, viewers and subscribers. But I'm going to let you guys listen to two songs from two dancehall artists who bite Alkaline Block and Delete style. One from Kartel and one from Aishana. When you see where Aishana they now, I run back a Kartel and I talk about cake sale all over the media. She didn't remember when she knock up Alkaline style, but Block and Delete. Alright, pretty viewers and subscribers.
Million girl and if me have two man, you a scream on me fi do your that. Remember woman a give man restraining order before them a delete and block.
Him a ill treat ya. Every minute him beat ya. On top of that him is a freak where ya eat ya. When him done him want delete.
So people, when you hear them two songs for yourself, right? I'ma play that for make you know say. You see the artists them in a dancehall, they don't come up with concept for songs. They bite Alkaline concept. And this is why Alkaline don't drop music like that anymore. This is why Alkaline doesn't flood the airwaves with music anymore. Because whenever he drops a song, the artists them bite him style, thief him style and go sing it in a freedom song. If I even one line, viewers and subscribers, the man them would thief it from Alkaline because what? They need concept to write song. So Aishana stole or well copied, knock off Alkaline Block and Delete style, and you guys can hear it. The rhythm sounds similar to Block and Delete. I'm gonna play Block and Delete for you, but it's not the same rhythm. It's chimney of the Block and Delete rhythm, but Kartel and Aishana got their rhythm somewhere else. It's a knockoff rhythm. So that is to show you, say the artists them in a dancehall, them not get Alkaline homage, you know. Alkaline not get the respect when forget. Because without Alkaline in dancehall, majority of these artists wouldn't hit the way of them for it. Because they feed off of Alkaline's energy. Them use him style in a them song, them use it in a them music video, them whatever. Even Popcaan, we have him in another vlogger too, you know. Popcaan on the new level when Alkaline beat him January 2017 of a Lego style. But me I gotta play that, viewers and the subscribers. But listen to the Block and Delete before I play that. Pre this.
Jordan, if a girl a go online, she too stubborn. I instant block and delete. Tell her go try them thing that with some other man.
Boy, that vlog here got exposed enough of them in a man. Jaja God, viewers and subscribers. We have some more now. Viewers and subscribers. You remember when Popcaan do a song called New Level, New Devil. When him say, a new level, new devil. A new level, new devil. Where Popcaan get the new level from? Where him get the new level from? Alkaline, new level unlock. You remember Alkaline's new level outro for his new level unlock album when him say, y'all go on a new level. I left my ex-girlfriend and go on and get an ex-girlfriend. I dep on a new level. Alright, people. Pre this pound scream. Another one at them.
You go up on a new level. You left from downstairs and go upstairs. You left on a new level. You left my ex-girl and find a next girl. Go up on a new level.
Me future brighter than sunshine. Plus me granny tell me this one time. She said, new level, new level.
Yeah, when you hear that for yourself, and people, the artists them really out here are hate for Alkaline, viewers and subscribers. Joke this, how them really out here are hate for Alkaline when them should have respect Alkaline. Them should have use water and wash Alkaline foot and drink it after. Because every style where Alkaline put out, the dancehall artists them bite it. Jaja, viewers and subscribers, if this was the other way around where Alkaline bite the whole of them artists style, you know say, them would have come out and talk about it, right? And Alkaline was never the one for doing none of them thing there. Alkaline never come out and call out no artist for a bite and a use him style. Him just let it be and know say it's just artistry and know say he is the muse in a dancehall. This is why most of them artists give Alkaline the leverage where him get right now in him career now. Why he's the man of today, you know. Because all of them bite him style, you know, give him no respect for it. And him just know say a cycle is part of the game rig. But him knowing himself that him are the man, him are the key man, him are the muse a dancehall, the ingredient where them need. The whole of them bite from the old to the young to the new to the old artist them. Yeah, the whole of them bite this style. But we are going on in
Pretty girl, hello. Pretty girl, hello. Pretty girl.
Where them get the pretty girl from? Where them get the pretty girl from? Alkaline sing a song called Pretty Girl Team, and then Vybz Kartel sing a song called So Easy. And viewers and subscribers, if you go on YouTube, you will see the timeline of when both songs was dropped. Alkaline song dropped May, then Vybz Kartel run out August with a song called So Easy, and the man a sing Pretty Girls Alone. And Alkaline singing them song of Pretty Girl with a body with a mad anybody. I want to hear the repetitiveness of the Pretty Girl style, right? That is what me are showing you know, viewers and subscribers. You see them artists here, a leech, you know. Them artists here a leech, you know. And if it was Alkaline doing what them a do, you will hear it in our media, viewers and subscribers. But here is another one, because as I tell you, I expose them. And give thanks for vloggers like me who are out here, you know, we know the history and know what's going on in a dancehall from then till now. Because up to today, we still have artists a copy Alkaline. We still have them. Them not gonna stop because Alkaline is the muse. Him get the style them when them fresh, them get them when them old. So them thief them from him, viewers and subscribers.
Swabby, what make me so swabby? Kill my competition, then my cut with the derby. All of me gal, them a come out for the party. Me so much cap.
Them a know nobody and I go on like them a somebody. Come on, ask can't win derby. You think like cabbage.
So Alkaline did a song called Suave, where he mentioned kill me competition, then me cut with the derby. And then Vybz Kartel did a song called Bad Mind, where he mentioned come on ask can't win derby, you rank like cabbage. And he was sending shades at Alkaline. Viewers and subscribers, me tell you in a dog. Without the Alkaline in a dog, them artists are not survive, you know. Without Alkaline, you notice how dancehall kind of rough off lately? It's because Alkaline nah feed them. Alkaline nah give them the style them. Alkaline nah drop music like that anymore. Because these artists in a dancehall, they bite him style and use it like it's theirs and make it come off as new like a them invent it. When an Alkaline style them been a out here a thief and a pattern, they are leeches in dancehall. And this is why dancehall kind of stagnant in our way, because artists like Popcaan can't find a hit song now. Him can't find a hit song. Him nah leech off of Alkaline style, or better yet, Alkaline nah drop the music for a man like Popcaan leech off of. And Kartel, yeah, we see same a thief Alkaline style, same with the other day, him do SYM and he mention chance from Balloon and School and Ray, him take a chance. Yeah, him still a thief Alkaline style, but Jaja God. Viewers and subscribers, more to go. Pre this.
Me have to get up like every day. My 3 pints not go so easy. Now me feel me need a key for the city. One of the gen of them know who that fit me. Kylie.
100 milli, close and silly. Sell them like a place from a stole them city. Never left me, me rolling with it. Drop a couple million.
So here we have Alkaline with one of his most popular songs, City, where he stated, right now me feel me need a key for the city. And the man also saying I'm song, and we are lucky city. Yeah, and we are lucky city. And there we also have TJ viewers and subscribers. TJ right now him fall off. I beg for people view him songs them and give him the strength. We hear him dep on our conference I talk about artists I buy views or people are pump views in an artist music. And because him career fall off. You remember when him get beaten for that, right? You remember when him get beaten for the buy views and the beaten when him a try for style Alkaline in another recent song they call Baller. So him say them like the place but me stole them city. Jaja God, them are artists, yeah. Me don't know how them do it. I don't know how they do it. But I'm here to expose them. The whole of them bite Alkaline style, thief him style. But yet still them a go like say Alkaline and nobody. When a Alkaline are the sauce, are the ingredients in a dancehall where these artists survive off of.
Rich, every single time.
Richer, me say it every time. Spend my money upon you, can you find?
So Masicka are one of the culprit them also, viewers and subscribers. And we know Masicka always abide Alkaline style. It's probably him respect him and look up to Alkaline, because to this day him can't even run out for clash Alkaline. So I'm guessing he's afraid of Alkaline, viewers and subscribers. But Masicka is the culprit in another one here also. Alkaline did a song called Blanco, where Alkaline said, so rich, and then he stated every single time. And here we have Masicka, richer, me say it every time. Where him get the every time from? Every time, say it every time. Alkaline say every single time, and then we hear Masicka, richer, me say it every time. You see the repetitiveness of the richer. Alkaline, the man them bite Alkaline style. Even the music video, no, viewers and subscribers, Alkaline. Masicka bite his style, you know. Masicka bite the Alkaline style. Yo, I'm telling you, dog. You see them artists, yeah. The more and more me I do this in other vlog, yeah, me get irritated by it. For no say, yo, the whole of them artists, yeah, bite the DJ style. Them bite him style and go like a them create it, a them first do it. You know notice timeline with every song. Alkaline come out with theme song, then months after you see the artists, them run out like a Fidem style. Jaja God.
Walk the walk, talk the talk, don't signs up, dark with dark. Can't fuck around, why we start? Walk the walk.
Off your mouth, cloud face for shut out. Walk out to the stick, man, badam bumbo clat rich.
Vybz, I'm sorry, but you're in it too, you know, Vybz. You're there in it too, you know, Vybz. Where you get the walk out with the stick slogan from? Where you get the walkout thing from? Now, Alkaline, you get the walkout from. Viewers and subscribers, Alkaline did a song of recently where he stated that walk the walk, talk the talk, don't fuck up the dark with dark. That was Alkaline's hook for his song. Walk the walk, talk the talk. And here we have Mavado's hook. Walk out with the stick. Walk out to the stick, man, badam bumbo clock rich. And multiple times that hook was mentioned in that song. That was the most catchy part of that song, and that the people them a run with. Once them hear that song, that them a sing with. Viewers and subscribers, you know, see me a show now. The whole of them artists are inspired by Alkaline, you know. They are inspired by him. Months after we have Vybz running out with walk out with the stick. When him get the walk theme from, where him get that theme from, that concept, walk out with a stick. Alkaline stated, walk the walk, talk the talk, don't size up, dark with dark, can't mess around, war we start, walk the walk, talk the talk. Where you get the walk out from Vybz, you don't get where you're involved in a bite style too, don't feel like you get where. The whole of them artists are inspired by Alkaline. Yo, if Alkaline will come out of dancehall by a morning, me don't know how them artists are manage.
When them cuss, when them go and complain, when up them pressure coming out every game. Stress can't get me off in your brain. Take you detour up off of my name.
Flavor. Now hear them say, me not gonna away, me not gonna away.
Viewers and subscribers, you see, sometimes it's not just a lyric of a song, you know. Most times it's even the hook or the concept of a song. So these artists out here bite and thief Alkaline style and don't give him the respect. So here we have Beenie Man stating that him not gonna away, me not gonna away. And that's the whole concept of nah left the game when Alkaline say, make them cuss, make them go and complain, run up them pressure coming nah left the game. That was Alkaline's theme. Him not gonna away, him nah left the game. And there we have Beenie Man saying that him not gonna away. As me telling you, it don't have to be a lyric out of a song. It can also be the content. Yo, I swear to you viewers and subscribers, as I'm telling you, the more and more me I add these things to my blog, to this vlog, viewers and subscribers, I am getting more and more irritated by the whole thing. Cause them artists are dog. Them sick my stomach, dog. Them sick my stomach. Alkaline tell you, dog, him get the style them when them new, only get them when them all. You not thief the man style them, dog. And him bring his style them, I wanna thief them. Him are the ingredient in a dancehall we wanna need. Why you not stop by the youth style? But nevertheless, them not gonna stop, you know. Them not gonna stop. Once Alkaline is still in dancehall, they're going to steal his style. I'll be a pirate in a dancehall, viewers and subscribers.
One bag of gold medal pan me now. Champion boy, you know the damn thing. Since me bust a flying gun, never see so much hate from my band. Me knock out the heavyweight, now what the referee want fi fight, man.
From a pull up in the game, so them a melt. One champion, me knock them out and take the belt. Young.
You see that boy when you massacre are the biggest culprit in this whole thing, you know, viewers and subscribers. Cause him continuously abide Alkaline style. Him just bite it. Him can't, me no know, him can't stop bite Alkaline style, viewers and subscribers. So Alkaline has a song called Champion Boy. When him say, champion, me are the champion boy. One bag of gold medal pan me, you know. And then Alkaline has another song where named ATM. Where him say, since me bust to fly gone, never see so much hate from my band. Me knock out the heavyweight, now what the referee want to fight, man. And now we have Masicka and TJ in our song called No Complaints, with Masicka singing, one champion, me knock them out and take the belt. What you said to me? What you not said to me? Who knows see them artists here I live off of Alkaline style. If it is to throw shades at Alkaline, they more use him style. If it is to sing over Alkaline style, they sing over Alkaline song, they more use it and make it look like a them created. You remember when Masicka mentioned in him song say she and Skull F the girl where them did a spoil. A Alkaline song that him Alkaline must send shots off, I know. A Alkaline song that the boy you me tell you no, if Alkaline fi left dancehall by a man in me no know how them artists ya survive. Them need him in a dancehall and them a go like say them no want give the youth him props and him ratings and him homage. I be a pirate, me I tell you no. Be a pirate.
Alright, don't tell them pick on the side. Stick to it and remember say yes, no slip on the slide. If them not up on the badness, keep them out on the right.
Yeah, the boy them go around me already now. Get the next time me now. Out here the one thing, and then a big side.
So Rygan King sing a song called Legacy in the year of 2018, viewers and subscribers. Right after Alkaline's song Pick on the Side with Lee Miller, viewers and subscribers. And that caused a whole controversy in the dancehall space. Because Rygan King did that song for Lee Miller also after Alkaline did Pick on the Side. So that caused the whole fallout between Alkaline and Lee Miller. Alkaline, I said Lee Miller, I make man a style him. Him really did a style Alkaline, cause to this day, Rygan King go like him want style Alkaline, but him know how Vendetta fans go to work. When him start smell himself in the year of 2018, him start hype up himself like a him a the man, a him a this and a him a that, and the know say a artist like Alkaline will have a cult like fan base when no stand for bull crap. So Rygan King hype up himself and then him flop. We don't hear of him anymore. Artists get a hype and then sink like quicksand. We don't even remember him. If we not see him on a clippings, we don't even remember saying him as an artist. So Rygan King did a song called Legacy where he say, I'm in a pick side. Right after Alkaline sing Pick on the Side. No, when you see the correlation, when you see the timeline, viewers and subscribers, them are artists, yeah. Them can't do nothing without Alkaline. They cannot do anything without him, viewers and subscribers. It's crazy.
Me have couple dog, me know that dead for me. That I say love, that I say loyalty. Before you fuck with the family, just remember me.
I'm feeling, my dog them a feeling. Fuck a bang of girl in and them all I wanna like how we a live. Fighting for dead, fighting for it.
So the year of 2016, Alkaline created a dancehall anthem called After All, viewers and subscribers. And right after that, in 2017, we have Masicka and Vybz Kartel doing a song called Infrared, singing My Dogs Them Have to Live after Alkaline stated that me have couple dogs who would have dead for me. That is a love, that is a loyalty. And viewers and subscribers, Alkaline's anthem is still currently playing. And you see Masicka and Kartel song, you hear of it no more. From it playing at 2017 and burn up 2017, you're not hear it like that anymore. You're not hear it a burn up a place like it's a anthem anymore, like a After All, viewers and subscribers. And me tell you, you see when them artists that think, say them can overthrow Alkaline, them need to sleep on the next side of the bed because a wrong thing, them are meds. Them are meds the wrong thing. So Kartel join forces with Masicka to try to overthrow Alkaline or try to get him out. Somewhat. Because I don't think them could have ever get out Alkaline. But them team up, and then we also heard Masicka when him go up on stage and say, me hear some boy talk about Gully Vendetta. A Gaza genocide. He mean that this the link them time there. He mean this the Gully and the Vendetta link them time there. Because him go team up with Gaza and form allegiance. And now him dep on him face. Him jump off of the wagon and them now support him no more. The Gaza dish him to the dirt. Them chew him overboard. So him claims that the ship a sink, you know, but it don't look like Gaza ship a sink. It look like a genocide ship a sink. Cause boy, him just drop a song couple days ago, and me not hear the people him talk about it. And last night sauce viewers and subscribers. But the boy them team up against Alkaline. Kartel did a champion Masicka say him see as the worthy opponent for 2020 when him come out of prison for clash. And now we have no more Masicka and Kartel teaming up again. Jaja God. Me tell you know, a mama prayer keep the artist Alkaline safe. Because all who not plan up against him, the plan will not plan up, it ending up backfire upon Uno. Viewers and subscribers, I see them artists, I can't rate some of them, you know. Them music bad, but I can't rate some of them because them a pussy in a dancehall. Them a real fussy hole in a dancehall.
Tick-tock. Vybz Kartel. Don't bother think that one they fly over me, you know. You said, from in a school, like a balloon, you take a chance. While Alkaline said, chance, pan balloon, and film killer them no have none. Don't bother think he fly over me. I wanna listen to it, people. One under my nose. I'm out.
I'm like a watcher from in the school, remember balloon, me take the chance. I mean,
pussy and you done. Chance pan balloon, me kill and have none. Feelings one man, you know when I have none.
Masicka and Kartel are the two biggest culprit. We always a thief Alkaline style or a use Alkaline style and now pay back. Them not pay feet viewers and subscribers. So the two artists them a drop album this year now viewers and subscribers. I wanna notice say all now them not drop a track list for them album. Who them a wait pan? Alkaline. As what Alkaline say. Them no know what them a do. I mean them a wait pan. Stoplight, railway, train station. Them no know what them a do. Me them a wait pan. Only real original and the fake one, Tom Ford, Tapman, everything name brand. The whole of them are wait pan Alkaline for drop so them can knock him style. Them want run go back to the drawing board. Them probably have them album ready cause Masicka album supposed to ready by now, you know. And from 2024 the album they supposed to drop, you know. And I know it not drop. 2025 gone and we say this year might drop it 2026 viewers and subscribers. So they haven't preview or dropped a track list yet. Them are wait for Alkaline winter album. But winter almost done viewers and subscribers. Alkaline trick them. As what Alkaline said, me style on you can't trick me. Me chick you can't trick me out here. I can't style a style like it not gonna work. You dig? So them are wait for Alkaline. And I know just them two they alone, you know, as I show you. Multiple artists in other vlogger viewers and subscribers. The whole of them bite Alkaline style. And there is more to prove, there is more to show, you know. I will heap of proof there in this, you know. But there is more to show. But me I can leave that for another one. But viewers and subscribers, you see them artists in a dancehall, them are corruption, them are leech, them are pirate, the whole of them, thief, Alkaline style people. But we are going to leave that for another vlog. I'm not going to draw out that one no more. But when you show me a show, when you see vibes when me a show no. But let me know what you think in the comment section so far. Is this enough proof of enough to realize that Alkaline is the key man, Alkaline is the main danger? Alkaline is the ingredient we dancehall need. People, leave on the thoughts in the comment section and make me know what you think. You know it going on, a vibes and insight with another insightful vlog. For you know it go, a mad thing, I'm out. I will catch you guys on another episode. Peace.